Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is the Feliciannurse experiment. Now, if you are an old subscriber, you will know that I used to do experiments quite often on my channel. I love to experiment and do things so that I can then give my opinion on different diets, different ways of eating, what have you, fitness. This way, when I give my opinion, it's a true opinion. It's not because I read something somewhere. It's not because, whatever. This is because I did it myself. So, as you all know, I am an Optavia health coach, certified registered nurse. I have taken my job as health coach so seriously, and so I have helped so many people get healthy and get their life back and get off their medications. And so I did this myself. I did Optavia. You can follow my journey. It's all here on this channel. But today I am here to present you with my latest experiment. Now, as you all know, if you followed me for a while, I did reach my goal and then I went back on Optavia. And now I have transitioned myself off over the last few weeks. And my experiment then is to see, by eating more calories and things like that, if I can either maintain or lose weight. I started to feel through my transition that I was a little bit stuck. I was not really losing. I did in the beginning, like a few pounds, but then it was just stagnant. And I know through experience that sometimes when you reach your goal weight and you don't really have much to lose, except a couple pounds, that can be the hardest. And what I have come to find is that sometimes eating more calories, you can drop body fat. How does that work? Well, here we go. If you have weight to lose, and I'm not talking 5 or 10 pounds, I'm talking more than that, and you cut your calories to a good amount, you will lose the weight. When you are at goal and you have already met that ideal weight that's in your mind, and you are continuing with that low calorie, I think our bodies just need a jolt. I think our bodies become efficient, and we do become efficient. That's just a given. We all become efficient. Whether it be running on a treadmill every day, you get used to it. It's easier. We get efficient. Our bodies adapt. So I've been doing a lot of reading as a health coach, and I've come to the conclusion that when you are at that goal weight, if you increase your calories a little bit, I'm not talking like from 1,000 to like 2,500. I'm talking about 400 or 500 calories max a day, max. You will then see weight loss. And I don't know exactly, I'm trying to figure this all out. I'm studying this now and trying to figure this out, but I think that calories in versus calories out really matter. And even if you're on keto, you have to watch your calories. If you're on Optavia, you don't have to watch your calories because the company does it for us, but it's still a calorie counting game, right? So then how then can you eat more calories and drop weight? So here's my experiment. I've transitioned off Optavia, and I have been eating probably about 300 calories more per day, but I have been keeping my carbs slightly lower, slightly, by like 30, 40, the most. Because I know that my body doesn't do well with carbs. I'm not eating, the potatoes and the rice and the bread and the cereal. On Optavia, we get our healthy carbs incorporated within our meals, usually from, brown rice and things like that, and vegetables that are put into the foods. And it is such a minute amount that it's spread throughout the day, so our bodies are using that fuel. So I'm trying to do that as well, and I'm getting my carbs through vegetables. No bread, no potatoes, no pasta. So let me take you along a day of eating, and I'm going to show you exactly what I had. I have been drinking a lot of unsweetened iced tea from Dunkin' Donuts. I add 1 packet of stevia to this. Now, you know stevia is not great with cold liquids, so I have purchased a bottle of the stevia drops that I've been using in here, and I don't know, I just love the iced tea for some weird reason, and it's keeping me hydrated, and I'm able to go about my day. Now, last night, which I didn't record, you're going to see a recording of a full day when I first started this about, what was it, Saturday. So this Saturday will be my first weigh-in. I want you to know that, and I'm going to make a video, and I am going to document this because I want my clients and everyone out there to see when you transition off of Optavia, you can then live a healthy lifestyle, eat the foods you want to eat, and not gain the weight back. So here we go. So let's go back to that day where I recorded everything that I ate, and I will show you the calories, the macros. I've been using MyFitnessPal this week. So I hope you like this. Thumbs up if you do, leave a comment, and I'm going to be documenting my experiment. So Saturday will be weigh-in, and I'll let you know how I do. I don't know. I feel really good, so we'll see what happens. See you at the end. So first meal of the day is 4 egg whites. I have some yellow pepper. This is all fresh. I have mushrooms, and I have a handful of spring mix, which is lettuce. I think there's arugula and things like that in there. So this is no cheese. I'm going to stay away from dairy this week. No cheese, and I'm going to have myself a Powerade Zero because I'm craving it. So this is meal number 1, and the time right now is 10:45 a.m. on Sunday, June 9th, 2019. Let's go, guys. Let's go. So here's meal number 2, and it's a little bit after 1 o'clock. So I have 2 cups of butter romaine lettuce mix. I have 2 cherry tomatoes. I have 2 button mushrooms, yellow pepper. I grilled a piece of chicken, and that is equivalent to, I think, like 3.5 ounces. Banana peppers and 2 tablespoons of Bolthouse ranch dressing. So meal number 2 going down the hatch right now. Hey guys, so as you can see, we are hiking. We have found a waterfall, and I forgot to record my pre-hike snack. So what I had was 2 rice cakes, the light kind, and and a tablespoon of chunky peanut butter on each rice cake. And now I'm having unsweetened iced tea, and we have a backpack full of water bottles and protein bars and things like that. I'm probably not going to eat anything, but you know, you never know. In case we get stranded, you gotta have something. So I'm at about, I think, like 600 calories for the day. When we get out of here and get home, we'll be making dinner, so I'll show you what that is when we get there. So happy Sunday. I also forgot to mention that I'm feeling really good. I know that's something important that I should be talking about, considering this is the first day off of Optavia. Again, I'm just doing this for the week to see how I can do. This is like a transition again, because I don't know. I just feel like I want to do this. So, you know me and my experiments. Here it is. And yeah, so hiking, we're already half an hour into it. Haven't felt any fatigue, no weakness, no nothing. I feel really good. I am going to be incorporating probiotics, since obviously the food I'm eating does not contain them, and Optavia does, so I don't want to go without that. So incorporating probiotics to my day, 2 of them each day. So we'll see you at the end of the hike. Alright, so we're back home from the hike, and here is dinner. This is 6 ounces of 99% lean ground turkey, and I have 1 serving of this is yellow squash and green zucchini. It comes frozen in a bag, and I cooked it in the microwave. And I am going to be putting a little bit of mustard on top, and that is dinner tonight. And so after this, I don't know if I'm going to have a snack or not, but we'll see. So I did wind up having one of these Fit and Active sorbet bars. I did get these at Aldi.
The Fit and Active brand is fantastic. They have protein and they have virtually no fat for 140 calories per bar, non-GMO, and it was a really, really nice snack. So right now I'm going to switch you over to show you my macros. I did not record an outro, so I apologize for that, but remember, Saturday will be weigh-in day. Actually, it will be Sunday because if you noticed, I started on a Sunday. My fault, not Saturday. So Sunday will be weigh-in. So anyway, guys, thank you for watching and stay tuned so I can show you the macros for the day as according to MyFitnessPal. And this week so far has been absolutely wonderful. Transition is easy, and I would be more than happy to help any of you go through this. Thanks for watching, guys.